Okay, so the Fierce Truth Seeker is back with another recipe. Okay, right now, Fierce Truth Seeker is going to show y'all how to make lamb, ground lamb. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. See, everything is laid out. Okay, and it's going to be made into a spaghetti, after it's done. All right, grain-free spaghetti. Okay, y'all got to learn how to leave grains alone, because contrary to popular belief, grains are not good for you. Okay, so this is our lamb here. It's 16 ounce lamb. It's 16 ounces of lamb. Okay, ground lamb, grass fed, 100%. Okay, so I'll show y'all what we're gonna do with this here. So we're gonna mix these ingredients into the ground lamb. Okay, actually we're gonna come right back. All right, because we're gonna end it and come right back. All right, for the sake of upload.